So much of what we're teaching in pass protection at the University of Miami is about posture. And when we talk about posture, we talk about sitting slightly with your legs wide, sitting down just a little bit, bringing your butt down maybe 6 inches, and having your feet open and your weight on your arches or the inside of your feet. And we want also to have our elbows up, hands up, tuck our chin, chest out, and then we want to assume that position, and we'll do it like here. For instance, in this drill, we're going to do it with the hands behind the back. Now, if you notice, each player should be pushing off their arches, and we can do it 2 different ways. I'm doing a direction here, where we're just pointing a direction, and you can see we'll go left and right, and then we'll go back to the left and back to the right. Okay, the whole time you're trying to emphasize the same things. A slight bend of the butt sitting down, the legs wide, and you're working off the inside of your arches. You can also do it by direction, right, left. You can, rather than point, you can just give a direction. Now in this particular deal here, we're going to go to sandbags, okay, because getting linemen to understand to keep their hands up in pass protection is vital. So again, it's pretty much the same drill, but rather than have your hands behind, we have them with sandbags, and these sandbags are great. They have grips on them, and they're about 25 pounds. And here it is now in the game itself, and you can see our right tackle, John Feliciano, is doing a good job, number 70. If you notice him, he's pushing for depth. He is keeping his feet apart. His hands are up, and he gets an excellent punch and manages to keep a good string line between him and the quarterback, and he's keeping inside leverage. Also, really everybody here is doing pretty well. Our left tackle, he's getting just not so good with his hands, but his footwork is good, and he keeps inside leverage. And the right guard does a great job too. That's a tough block on the 3 technique. Okay, well, the protection breaks down a little bit there late, but here's the next look at this, and we're going to find examples of pass protection posture. That's again good by the right tackle. Feet are apart. He's getting his head involved a little bit, but it's a good punch. He's keeping inside leverage, and nice job by the right guard. The left tackle's doing a decent job too. He's getting his hands on him. He's keeping his feet apart. Great. I think that's excellent by Brandon Linder, 65. I mean, as far as getting his hands on the guy and keeping posture, and looks very much like the drill.